so emotionally moved. ਤੁਸੀਂ जरा bites जो press वाले उन्होंने दसो so that the message of this movie reaches through the length and breadth of the country and outside. Our heroes to say a few words. Of course, we will have a proper session with the press after the screening. Over to you.
Thank you very much. Namaskar. मुझे मालूम था कि ये पहला शो ही हाउसफुल हो जाएगा। ज़्यादा मैं अभी इस वक्त कहना नहीं चाहूँगा, जब पूरी फिल्म खत्म हो जाएगी उसके बाद मुझे लगता है आप ही ज़्यादा समझदार हो जाएंगे, आप ही ज़्यादा कहेंगे। ये एक ऐसी कहानी है जो कभी हिस्ट्री किताबों में लिखी नहीं है, किसी ने नहीं लिखी, और ये हमें भी एक मुझे भी नहीं पता मालूम की है। He being a South Indian, even he didn't know about it, and I have seen that even media didn't know much about it, but it's the truth. And so I just want you guys to watch it, film देखिए and enjoy it. और सच्ची कहता हूँ बहुत मेहनत की है, जैसे साहब ने बोला है कि अपने अपने मोबाइल इन्होंने स्ट्रिक्टली कहा है, और मैं हाथ जोड़ के कहता हूँ लीजिए अपना अपना मोबाइल आप अपनी जेब में रख लीजिए और एक एक डायलॉग सुनिए, because it will mean a lot. And if you try to see your Instagram or anything, it will be a humiliation for them. I would request you, please keep your mobile in. And also now, let's start the film. Okay? So without taking much time, over to Madhavanji.
Yes, sir. I will not take much time. Very good morning. I'd like to say thank you so much for the Honorable Minister for organizing this event. I feel properly reprimanded now that he set the mood for the film. And for the first time I'm seeing the film. Actually, seeing it for the first time myself, so I'm very nervous. I'm going to hope and pray and keep my fingers crossed.
You know, I'm a student of mass atrocities. You know, genocide, ethnic cleansing, crimes against humanity, war crimes, etc. This is the most beautiful movie I have seen on genocide. And what you have done is captured for popular absorption a story that is written in the history books, which if you are a serious student, you can find it in the library. But to bring it out like this, you deserve our highest appreciation, and I feel greatly privileged that I could be associated with this law. Now you will have many more opportunities later, so I don't want to stand between the stars and all of them. So Maharaj, tusi kuch banana go, and you sir also, I must say, brilliant. Both of you top class superheroes, and we're all greatly moved. Thank you.
Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for coming. I am very grateful to Madhavan sir, because if it was not him, I wouldn't have a good competition, great competition. He gave me a tough fight. It was great.
So happy to lose to you.
Thank you very much. When
they found out you two were coming, वो कल तो मनो हिरन भाई कहने लगे कहने को तो कास्ट थी, मैं कहा वो इनको जरा शूटिंग पे चले गई थी वो। बाकी देखो, you have star speed, and when you have a movie like this, look, all I appeal to all of you is don't just enjoy the movie and go home. I'm so emotionally moved. ਤੁਸੀਂ जरा bites जो press वाले उन्होंने दसो so that the message of this movie reaches through the length and breadth of the country and outside.
ਸਾਨੂੰ आजादी मिली है, सब कुछ होने के बाद ਸਾਨੂੰ आजादी मिली है। As a value, the youth needs to value what freedom we got, and that is all this movie says about. So just go home, take your children, and we can show it. I know it's an advanced film. I heard you saying it.